Long before smartphones, the Internet of Things, and digital everything, AutoCAD was created. Its mission was simple: leverage the best available technology to empower designers to work faster, better, and smarter. And today, Autodesk continues that legacy of innovation with the AutoCAD web app. It's AutoCAD in the cloud, and it's included with an AutoCAD or AutoCAD LT subscription. With it, you have quick, anytime access to edit or view CAD drawings, and any computer can be your CAD workstation, wherever you are, and without needing AutoCAD installed. Simply open a web browser, log in, and get to work designing with the same precision and fidelity you've come to expect from AutoCAD. With new features like Trace and Share, you can up your collaboration game to review and annotate DWG files directly in AutoCAD. By connecting to your project files in Autodesk Drive, Autodesk Docs, or cloud storage platforms, the AutoCAD web app allows you to go beyond the office and opens up all new ways of working. Discover the freedom and the power of the new Anywhere workplace with the AutoCAD web app.